Today on the farm we harvested so many cucumbers and I knew we could not eat them all fresh. So for the very first time I'm trying our farm cucumbers into homemade pickles. I hope this comes out right. Pray for me.
Morning sun pon the land so green. Lady, let's in the field know what I mean. Hands in the soil, faith in her plan. Tea time blessings from the Father's hand. Green tea growing, herbs so pure. Every leaf healing, every root secure.
So what's up my viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel guys. My tea timers, my members, viewers, welcome back. You know, if this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by, and you know, I trust that this is something that you were looking for. Well, today I'll be making pickle, and it's my way. I'm gonna use a cucumber because if you guys know, we plant cucumber, and I'll be using it for the for my pickle today. So I love pickles, and I said, you know what, since I have a ton of cucumber, I'll be using it. I'll be using it today to make my pickle. So these are already washed. So now what I will be doing, I'll be just cutting them, slicing them, dicing them, whatever style you want to do it. So I don't even know what style I'm gonna do it in. I like the circle, and I also like it straight. So I may do some straight and I may do some circle. All right, so yeah, let's get right into it. Thank you so much for the likes and the share and for subscribing. Thank you.
By the way.
Okay, tea timers, this is what I'm using for the pickle juice. I have water as a base, some vinegar for the nice tangy flavor, a little turmeric for color, sugar to balance the sourness, a bit of salt for taste, and a few cloves for a warm, spicy touch. Now I'm going to mix everything together and pour it over the cucumber. But first, I had to warm it up first. Yeah, bring to a boil. Now I'm placing the cucumbers into the jar before I add the juice to it. Mm. Now we're ready to add the juice in. So, yeah. Yes, well, so it's time for me to go ahead and taste to see if I did a good job, because this is my first time, as I said it before. Yep. Let's dig in. By the way, this is day 2, so I made it last night. So yeah, well, set on everything, the juicy and stuff like that. So let's get in. Let's see. Whoa. You all, this tastes good. You need to go ahead and try this recipe. Follow the steps what I showed you and make your own pickle. This tastes really good. So thank you so much for watching.
And so green, lady, let's in the field, know what I mean. Hands in the soil, faith in her plan. Tea time blessings from the Father's hand. Green tea growing, herbs so pure. Every leaf healing, every root secure. From the mountain breeze to the cup I raise. This is ministry in a natural way.
Steep it slow, let it goodness flow. Ancient wisdom from a long time ago.
When the world feels cold and tough, one sip remind me
God is enough.
for your tea time with